my name is Ainur Zamratu Fatihah binti Abdul Rahim, a public relations student from UiTM campus Alor Gajah, and this is a video about a day in my life as a PR student. Well, I know some of you might think this is a typical vlog video where I record what am I doing in a day, but nah, this is my journey. When I was in primary school, I have been in a place where I was at my lowest. I used to have a problem to communicate with people around me, and never been in a place where I am confident with what am I doing. Yes, what you saw just now is the place where everything began. 21 years old of being alive, I started to realize UiTM is the place where I started to begin my real journey. And public relations is a platform of where I found what I need in my life. Being a public relations student taught me on how to always bring a character wherever I go. I cannot deny the fact that continuing my degree in the face of COVID-19 has made me feel like I'm riding a roller coaster. There's a day where I felt like I am at the top, and there's a day where I felt like I am at my lowest. But you know, having a lecturer, a guidance who always understands his or her students is a blessing that Allah gives to me. I used to have a mindset where mass communication is gonna be easy as ABC. But nah, being in this field taught me how to put your professionalism in front of everything. Being a PR student taught me how to be an organized person, and most importantly, PR made me realize that there are a lot of mistakes that I did in my daily life in every aspect, especially the way I communicate with people. But honestly, I do proud of myself. I can see how PR changed myself 360 degrees, from the way I talk to people until the way I manage my schedule. Being exposed to the real world of public relations is the most exciting part for me. From the politicians until civilians, I managed to have a chance to get to know with them. I know some of you might say that it's just the way you talk and the way you manage your schedule. It all depends on yourself and it can be learned by your own. But you know what? I used to say those words to myself 7 years ago. Years before I took my sijil pelajaran Malaysia, a lot of camp bina diri, camp komunikasi that I joined, but nothing changed me myself. And yes, IPRMSA, Institute of Public Relations Malaysia Student Association, should be given a credit to. That was one of the platforms where I widened my soft skills. All in all, this is the real POV as a PR student, and what you saw just now is just a minute of my journey. To those who is interested to be part in public relations, feel free to drop your comment below. Thank you and bye-bye. Kita ball make it tired. Use that 40K street represent. Putih biru Melaka GOD forever.